Stop!
Hey everybody, so this is a crazy video. You're going to want to see this. This is the body camera from a South Kingston policeman relating to an arrest of a woman on a highway. Her car was apparently blocking the road. They wanted her to move it. She was asking a bunch of questions, and it ended up with her being pretty much tackled to the ground. So she apparently is suing them. I don't know, I'd be interested to hear what you guys think about this. If you think that, the police went too far, if she went too far, if everybody went too far. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments, and I'll go ahead and play the clip now.
Yeah, the key's stuck.
Okay.
It's broken.
Are you gonna, so you think he's gonna be taken with the scene, or will he just?
Are you?
I'm not, no, I'm on the phone with his father.
Yeah, it's my dad. But
How many cars are involved right now?
Not mine, that's mine.
All right, we need to get that off the road. All right, can we get that into the parking lot? We'll take care of him, man.
Paramedics coming to second.
I'm just trying to tell his father. So
Okay, well, we're in the middle of the highway, right? So,
All right, can you move your car, please? Thank you. My man, is your car drivable?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get it off to the side of the road. All right.
All I'm saying is I can leave. I just want to tell his father.
You don't have to leave. Just move your car.
I just want you to tell me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
All right,
okay.
let's have a seat right over here, bud. Is that your mom?
No.
No.
You want to talk to his father here? Why don't you talk to his father?
I'm working. Can you please go sit in your car? You have nothing to do with
His
this scene.
father,
I
he's
understand.
a minor. I'm an attorney because he's a minor. You need to tell me, is he going to be here?
I don't need to tell you anything.
You,
I'm going to arrest you in a second if you don't get in your car. Do you
you're
understand me?
kidding.
I'm not kidding you.
You are kidding.
You are impeding an investigation right now, and you're really bothering me.
What should
Go
I tell
sit in
his
your
father?
car.
What
I will
should I
talk
tell
to him
his
in a minute.
father?
Get in your car now.
Tell, take it. No, you do not touch me. Oh my God, stop.
What are you doing?
Oh my God,
What are you
stop
doing?
it. Are you kidding me?
Knock it off.
You will be.
Knock it off.
No, you get your hands off me
Knock
right
it
now.
off.
Get your hands off.
All right. Yes.
Tell him to get his hands
Yes,
off me.
I do.
Tell him to get his hands off me right now. Oh my God, are you
Stop.
fucking kidding?
Stop.
No, I'm not stopping. Are you fucking kidding me, right? Stop it. You record this.
It's recording.
Record it.
I'm wearing a body cam.
Record it. I understand, but why am I under arrest?
Because you weren't listening to anything you were saying.
Oh my God, you're not listening to your father or something. Oh my God, okay, I will cut that. Can you please?
Take a breather.
No, you don't take a breather.
I'm fine.
I'm being right now. Can you just let me
I'm not
move
being
my
here at
arm?
all.
I just moved my arm so it doesn't hurt. I swear.
How about you stop resisting?
And
you let us put you in handcuffs.
My shoulder is dislocated and you're making it worse.
Well, rescue
Can I
can look at
please?
you.
Yes. Oh my God.
Sit up.
Can you please call Bob Barber?
Sit up.
Call Bob Barber right now.
Who's that?
He's in Narragansett, please. Please call him.
Well, we're not in there again.
I understand that. I cannot believe you. Take this fucking off me right
Okay,
now.
50. I have one in custody,
Oh my
disorderly
God.
and resisting.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
Stop.
No!
Stop talking.
No! No! This is so ridiculous. I cannot even believe this.
Yeah.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go put her in my car.
I just wanted to know. I could tell his father if he's going to the hospital. I'm not even involved in this. I can't believe this.
That was our point the whole time.
I cannot believe this.
That was our point the
You
whole
were
time. You are not
screaming at me.
involved.
Oh
You
my
are not
God.
involved.
I'm a good
We
Samaritan.
instructed you to do something,
I'm a good
and
Samaritan
you refused to do it.
I'm a good Samaritan who stopped to help a kid, and this
Let's
is
go.
what happened. Okay, stop growling me. I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me.
Now.
Oh my God, stop it. Ow! Ow! I want my phone. It's over there. What am I doing? He's pulling my... Hey, stop. Get my shoe. Please get my shoe.
Okay.
Get my... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot even believe this. No. This man is beating the shit out of me. Holy shit. Yes, he is. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the crazy. I've never... Stop pushing me, please. I will walk. Are you kidding me? You guys don't know how much trouble you're in. I'm gonna see you both for assault. I know.
What's that?
You're in so much trouble. I can't even tell you. Oh my God, this is the craziest thing I've ever in my entire. I'm not gonna relax. I can't. I don't have to. You guys, where do you get this machismo shit? This is bullshit. can't even.
The phone's right here.
Oh, surprise!
Find her key, but the car started up. So it's in there somewhere.
Her key's probably on her.
Would it start up from like, yeah? Alright.
If the car's on and running with the push to start, the car's on and running, it will run as long as the key's in a certain distance, which this is probably a certain distance. Now you
Did you take a key off of her?
her?
Yeah, I didn't either.
Did you put grab her pocketbook and everything?
She didn't, she was just out of the car. All we have is her cell phone, a shoe, glasses.
That's it. The key's either on her person, most likely, or the key's in her pocketbook. Does it say key not in vehicle?
No, because it started right up.
Right, so the key's in the car.
Yeah, I just couldn't find it though.
Oh, that's okay. Probably like a cup holder or like in
Alright, you want me to move his Volvo?
Yeah, can't move it.
It won't go.
I would have moved it. Why don't you bring her back? It started before, but why don't you bring her back? Get her out of here. Get her. I'm assuming if she's an attorney, she's got nothing. We'll get her and she cut her loose.
Right.
And then go from there.
Alright.
Yeah, I heard you guys say one in custody. I'm like, oh, here we go.
It was so unnecessary.
Yeah.
But like my tolerance for that is like, I'm just like, listen,
It's
you're
dangerous.
not going
You're
to
in the
listen to what
middle
I'm
of
saying.
the
We're in the middle of the highway.
Yeah.
Get in your car and get off the highway.
All I was
And
talking
we
about.
fucking stood her up too. She started screaming like belligerently. The kid was even more freaked out than anything.
How old's the kid that was? I don't know.
05 is his birthday. 17.
Oh, that's Mike's.
Really?
You could take the Mazda SUV up there. Alright. Hey, you want to go ask this lady with me if she's got a key on her? Let me just roll the window down. Do you have your car key on you? Where in your car is it? Okay. Alright, I'll let the tow truck driver know.
James on my mic.
Little black pouch, she said in her car.
That works. You can get her out of here.
Alright.
She calmed down a little bit now.
It's better than she was. I wonder how she'll be in the block, but somebody will be at the station to help me.
Yeah, I'll head back.
Go ahead, Clayton.
We'll have the full flag. Mike will have, I think,